Hey, yeah, it's me. Today we're gonna be finding a instinct species. What's it called? The Evan bird. Now let's go look for it. Huh? Doesn't seem like that's a jail, house, car. Where could the Evan bird be? There it is. I hope I'm getting this on tape. It's the Evan bird. I know this is mean, but we're gonna try stealing its egg. Let's do this. Its nests are only on ground, but we have to go expect it. Hey, birdie! Yeah, you! Oh, good! Ah, no! What is this? He was trying to kill us! Oh, man, it's the egg! Whoa! You almost got me! Oh, no! No! What did I do? I cracked the egg! Oh, man! I killed the bird! Oh, no! Okay, let's just safely take this back to its owner. I killed your baby by accident. Are you mad?